Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be part one of my pre-Christmas ultimate clean with me. I know everybody's going to be wanting to get their house ready for the holidays and for Christmas, and myself included, so I wanted to give you guys as much cleaning motivation as I possibly could. My house is just a disaster. I've picked up more hours this past week at work, so between that, wrapping presents, I'm wrapping up my shopping, for Christmas, just housework, just bottom of the list, so the house really, really needed some work. I'm editing this video Sunday night and it's going to go up Monday morning. So what you're seeing right now was actually Sunday morning. So just like 8 hours ago for me. And oddly enough, like just as I had started this clean with me, my dad called and asked if it was okay for him to come over just to stop in and say hi. So this video kind of turned into how fast can I clean my house in under an hour? So like how quickly can I get ready for guests? So I still have a lot more work to do, guys. I understand that my house is actually still kind of disgusting at the end of this clean with me. But Thursday, so this coming Thursday is going to be part 2 of the ultimate clean with me, and I'm going to clean Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm going to do my best to really go through my house and give this house a really good, like, thorough cleaning. So make sure you come back on Thursday. That's when it's going to be like the big pre-Christmas clean with me. But this is just kind of like a little taste of what's to come. So that's what today's video is. I hope you enjoy it. I hope your house isn't as bad as mine, but if it is, that's okay. And I hope that this gives you some motivation to get cleaning. Christmas is right around the corner. Oh my God, I'm so excited. But with Christmas comes a lot of stress and comes a lot of cleaning. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll pop back on at the end to wrap it up. But for now, I am going to let some music play.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Being weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in your stars.
Alright guys, that wraps up this video. I am going to throw a load of laundry in, and then I'm going to fold 2 baskets of laundry, and that will wrap up the video. I did just want to pop on here and tell you that I am using the Method scent boosters for my clothes now. I have the scent Spring Garden right there, and it is so good, guys. I completely 110% recommend this to you. Your laundry will smell so good. And my husband has like ridiculously sensitive skin, like more so than like our child, which I thought was funny because normally like little kids have really sensitive skin. But my husband, like super sensitive skin. If I use like a certain type of detergent, like he breaks out in like a full rash. Like it's crazy. But this scent boosters, for whatever reason, does not bother him at all. So I want to just like shout that out to you guys. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, make sure you come back on Thursday. Thursday is December 20th, and that is going to be a little bit more of a thorough ultimate clean with me, where I really go through the whole house and get us ready for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video.
When I sit and think back on everything, I wouldn't change one single memory. But with time I found this is one I'll count. When you walked away from me. Far as I can tell, you both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken open hearted. I can't count the times that you have crossed my mind. It's not actions I regret, it's words I never said that I regret. I never said. This is my one regret. One day I'll think about my dreams of you and I. No, I fought for each one, but then I'll say one did get away, and I will cry. Oh, 'cause your love had he won. Far as I can tell, you both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken open hearted. I can't count the times that you